Hi, I'm Bjarni. Welcome to the workshop here at Grundfos. Let's take a closer look at the Unilift CEC, a lightweight submersible pump that's perfect for keeping homes safe, clean and dry. You can use it for domestic drainage, emptying tanks, pools and ponds, and in emergencies where you can pump down to just 3 millimeters. If you just remove the strainer like this, Unilift CEC drains down to just 3 millimeters. Most other pumps leave 3 whole centimeters, and in an ordinary basement, that's the equivalent of 2 big hot tubs of water you need to mop up by hand. There are a lot of features that makes Unilift CEC robust and reliable. You've probably been called out to pumps that have stopped working because of air trapped inside. Well, this built-in self-venting feature automatically gets rid of any air buildup. Check out this V-ring here at the impeller, protecting the shaft seal. Shaft seals can break when you have abrasives like sand in the water, so this extra protection will extend the pump's lifetime. You can get Unilift CEC with all the motor components made of high-grade stainless steel. This increases corrosion resistance, so you can use the pump for brackish water, for example. We also designed Unilift CEC to make your job easier. Check out these dual outlet connections. One here at the top and one at the side, so you can keep just one model in stock and install it wherever you need to. With more and more flooding events these days, it pays to have some ready-to-go emergency kit to avoid serious damage to homes and basements. Unilift CEC is at the center of this all-in-one multi-box emergency sump pump kit. It gets rid of the water very quickly to minimize damage and sucks right down to that water level of just 3 millimeters. There's a 15-meter pressure hose, a valve to prevent backflow, multi-sized adapters and an extra long power cable. And it all comes in this easy transportable box which acts as a filter too. That's the Unilift CEC, lightweight, reliable, perfect for domestic drainage and all set to protect the home in emergencies too.